We have just returned home from a camping holiday, and I'm going to go and see how the greenhouse fared. Um, I closed the doors before we left to make sure that no critters got in there, but it was actually quite hot while we were away, even though it is now cool and overcast. But before I do that, I just wanted to um, sort of address something that I've noticed. I watched the videos that we've posted so far, and I don't seem to speak directly to the camera. So I wanted to just recognize that it's hard talking directly to a camera. Part of it is not knowing who I'm speaking to. Is it our future selves? Is there anyone else out there watching? Because not looking at the camera feels like I'm trying to hide somehow. And that feels very strange to be simultaneously publishing to a public platform, YouTube, and also trying to not engage directly. So I'm going to challenge myself to try to dance like nobody's watching, because at this stage, nobody is watching. So we can make whatever errors we need to make and learn from our mistakes. Nobody's perfect, and certainly nobody is perfect the first time around. So I'm going to keep trying, and for now, I'm going to just go back behind the camera. Okay, so we have been away camping for almost a week, and I left the greenhouse closed. So I thought I would record what it looks like upon my return. Well, so far so good. Tomatoes look all right. Melons are sort of sinking on their trellising, but not bad. Okay, I left water in the trays here, and I see I've got some mold, so that's not great. But the shallots and the leeks seem to be surviving it. The celery is doing great. And there doesn't seem to be very much activity in the beet trays down here, so that might have been a bit of a fail. All in all, not bad. I had taken some honeysuckle cuttings just to enjoy the flowers, but okay, so over the week or so that we were gone, the hottest it got was 32.4, and the lowest it got was 18.2. It's currently 20.1, so that's not bad. So all in all, not bad. There's some tomatoes to pick, and things are looking all right. So that's a win. Okay, so if the vegetable garden fared as well as the greenhouse while we've been away, I will be happy. I'm expecting things like the peas to be done, but yeah, it looks like the watering system continued to work, so things are wet. Of course, now it's starting to rain a little bit, but there are still a few peas hanging in there. The tomatoes need to be corralled and trimmed. The lettuce is all bolted. There's some snapdragons coming up, and the peppers seem to be doing okay, so that's great. Tomatillos are a bit wild. Things are looking not too bad there. And over here, onions are slow to bulb up this year. Not sure. Got some more lettuce It's bolted in here. Cabbages are doing all right, although it looks like they've got some bugs. Squash vines are not as vigorous this year, so might need to give them some food. But over here, things are looking all right. And a couple of zucchinis that are ready for harvest. That's good. And interesting that the celery that's planted out in the garden is not doing as well as that celery that was in the greenhouse. Oh, there's a pretty dahlia. First one of that one to bloom. So what was that one called? Totally Tangerine. So it's quite pretty. All right, well, not bad, not bad. Letting the cilantro go to seed, so it hopefully reseeds itself here for next year. And the sweet peas are a little bit berserk, so that's okay. I feel like this one marigold is much larger than what I was anticipating. I thought it was going to be one of these ones, I think sugar and spice, but I don't know. I don't remember having any seed that would have produced that. Anyway, regardless, it's good. All right. So all in all, not bad. Until next time, here's to the next chapter.